Hello there, welcome to Genesis Models. My name is Bobby Waldron and welcome to this vlog. This vlog's all about the update on the website, the store, all that kind of stuff, mainly focusing on the new beta store that we have just launched. If you don't know, we are having a whole new website, new store, new pretty much everything, new forum, the whole shebang. Really excited for that. It is coming along, you know, still quite a bit of work to do. I'm not ready to sort of show it you yet because I really kind of want something that is functional for you guys to go check out. But what we have done is, because we're really sort of excited about setting up a store, what we've done is we've done a quick sort of beta type store. So we're using the old website still, that's all there, functioning and everything. We're just using that, we're using the store button just to throw some kits out there. Now it doesn't have all the bells and whistles, it's not a fully blown store, it doesn't have loads of stuff in there. It's just got a couple of kits in there and just the means to pay for them. And what this is basically doing is it's just all about us kind of getting started and really sort of getting you guys used to us as a store, actually kind of, you know, giving us the kind of the information and the data we need to be ready for a full-blown, you know, ready built sort of store that's coming in the future. So as I say, there's only a couple of kits in there. What we want to do is sort of get the kind of data where we know the level of support and the level of interest you guys have in a Genesis model store. Loads of great information we can build from this. For example, you know, whenever for this beta store that we've just set up, 2 of the kits in there, this week I've gone off and I've done 2 inbox reviews, right, for those 2 kits, and I've stated that they're available in the store. And the whole point is you know, we can kind of build up this data of, you know, how many kits do we need to stock, right? You know, if we've just launched a video and you see the video and you know it's available in the store, how many of you are going to go across and actually buy it? And it's just helping us kind of understand our stock levels, because let's face it, you know, I've never done a proper fully blown store before. So again, what it also helps us do is it kind of trains us up. It gives us that experience of having a store, i.e. the stock levels and everything, gets us used to you guys, gets us used to all the problems and pitfalls, and it kind of trains us up. But the big one as well is, as I say, is, you know, understanding the level of interest and support in it. And as well as that, you know, getting the stock in isn't cheap either. This also allows us to build up the funds as well to actually have a fully blown store also. So, you know, your level of support would be absolutely great in this. Not saying you have to go off and buy anything either. I have received emails of people going, you know, I actually, you know, don't want to buy anything in the store because yes, it is a very, very limited range, but just simply getting emails and PMs of people saying, yes, I do want to buy from your store. It just helps us build up that data to understand the level of interest. So the beta store is all up and ready to go. You can start buying. It is via PayPal. We are offering free shipping as well for everything, because we understand there's only a couple of kits in there. We understand that most stores will say something like spend £60 and get free shipping. Well, we understand that, you know, you can't exactly probably spend that much because, you know, there's only a couple of kits in there. So we're just going, you know, we're taking a bit of a hit and we're just going free shipping on everything. Everything gets 10% off the RRP as well, which sounds like to be quite standard across all the online stores out there from the research we've done. But what we're also doing is we're offering a extra 5% off for you premium members. So for you guys who are paying subscriptions, right, again, you know, this store doesn't have all the bells and whistles. The new store will have all the bells and whistles, but what you'll have to do to get that 5% is just give me an email, which there is a link on the store, and just basically say you want you know, this kit, and then we'll send you a PayPal invoice with the extra 5% off. So in essence, you get, if you are a paying premium member, you get 15% off in total off the RRP, as well as free shipping, which pretty much does make it the cheapest on the net. So you know, that is also a good bonus there, and we're sort of, that's kind of like the direction we want to go. We want to make it so as if you are a premium member, that you know the store is going to end up being cheaper than anywhere else on the internet by going down that route. So it's going to make your paying premium member subscription worth more, and that's what we're sort of aiming for. But yeah, if you want to sort of support us, go ahead. If you just want to give us feedback saying that you would buy from us, it just helps us with our data, and it just builds up all our experience ready for the big launch. Now, as I say, the new website and the new store as well, that is coming along. We want to get it to a point where it is basically built, you know, not completely finished, but we want to get it to that point where we move into sort of phase 2, which is where it's basically built. And what we're going to do, I'm going to invite all you guys to come take a look, play around with it, try and break it, give us your feedback, so then we can go off and make some final changes where we fix whatever things that you found that you could break, where we, you know, take your feedback and maybe change things to customize this website to your preferences, so to speak. So you as a group have a website that you've all had a say on how you want it to be done and run, and then we'll probably be moving into the final stage where we actually take all that information, we finish the website, and we give you a launch date. So that's a nice little update on everything that's going on with the website and everything, as well as the new beta store, which I hope to see you all in there. But as always, until next time, my name is Bobby Waldron, this is Genesis Models, and I hope you've enjoyed.